how to install TempleOS inside of UTM. I got this file from Reddit. I got this from UTM, the website, and I got this from archive.org or the TempleOS website. It's been a minute, but here we are. Then it unzip it and it turns into this. I can easily just drag this into here and basically browse for TempleOS and take in the ISO and run it as so. Okie dokie. So I'm going to say yes. Yes again. Okay, so once it's finished loading, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to say no, I don't want to reboot. I'm going to exit. I'm going to stop the virtual machine. Then I'm going to go into settings. And I didn't mention this before, but in case I don't have access to that template, these are my settings. Now what's special about this is that I'm actually going to delete the ISO because I want TempleOS to boot from the drive. So I'm going to actually get out of here and take the ISO, clear it from the ISO, and simply just run it again. And you can boot it from the C drive. I'm going to just click 1. And there we go. And that's how you install TempleOS within UTM.